Ding, 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 ding.
Oh my god! Okay, yeah, I mean this part I can fix it. This is so cute. Hi everyone, my name is PY.
And I'm Ida, and we are
PYDA.
So, as you know, now it's coming near to the Mooncake Festival. Yeah, as you know that everyone is like looking for mooncake, and we have also found this very cute little Oreo mooncake.
So actually this mooncake packaging looks really good from Oreo, and wow, there are actually like 4 different flavors from this mooncake. Okay,
And for example, if like you feel buying a mooncake is so boring and you maybe thought of like making one yourself, no worries, because today we'll be making 2 different mooncake.
The first one will be a Oreo Snowskin mooncake, and the second one is actually the Oreo cream cheese mooncake. So both are actually easy recipe that you can do like with your children, like they are children friendly.
Yep.
Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it now.
This is the Oreo Snowskin Mooncake recipe. We will be doing the Oreo filling first. Let's go!
We don't have a food weighing scale, so we will be using the human weighing scale. But it does work well. So this is 0.11 kg. Okay, so we will be measuring the icing sugar. Okay, let's try.
Okay, I think we need a bigger bowl.
Wait. This is 230 gram, right?
How many Oreo will be putting into the blender?
I think we just put out.
Oh, okay.
Supposed to be 10.
Yay! Oreo is not good.
Good. Mix. We need to mix the icing and the cream cheese.
Put it in. Okay. Are you making a pancake?
Okay, so we are done with the Oreo filling. Let's move on to make the snowskin.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. It's after 10 minutes, so we will actually check. So actually it shows that it's a bit tan. Then we'll just mix it around. A bit tan. Then we'll just for another 10 minutes. Then we will check again.
A few moments later.
Oh, so this is that.
Wow.
Okay, so for the mooncake snowskin, we will actually need 200 gram of cooked glutinous flour, which we already done just now, and then 140 gram of icing sugar. We have 120 milliliter of milk. We will need 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, so later I will just take out. And then we also need 40 gram of shortening. Okay, so we will just actually mix them all together. After this, we will then pour in the hot water. By right, you will need about 80 milliliters.
Okay, so this is like how it looks like after we put it in the refrigerator for like 1 hour. So we will start to make the dough and put the filling, and then this is our
mold.
Okay. So actually this is a popsicle one. Okay, but never mind.
Daiso actually sells all these Disney's popsicles.
Okay, so what are you doing now?
Okay, I'm like putting the snowskin dough into the mold.
Easy mold.
Okay, then we will just add the Oreo filling. Oh, okay, then we will just top up with that dough. Okay, do you think we can flip it around?
Maybe we should. Ding 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 ding.
Oh. Yay! Okay, so then we can actually put this in the fridge and can eat already after that.
The second recipe is the Oreo cream cheese mooncake, and we will begin with the Oreo filling first. Let's go!
The first step will be removing the filling of the Oreo for all of it. Okay, so after you separate the two, then you will be mixing 100 gram of the cream cheese with the filling, just half of it.
Okay, so we are done with the Oreo filling. Let's move on to make the Oreo skin.
So, The next step will be to crush this Oreo. And pour the melted butter. This to hold the Oreo together for the skin. Okay, so once you're done, you just need to put this Oreo as the skin and just spread it equally on the mold. Okay.
And we will put this in the fridge for 1 hour.
Let's go.
Okay. Hi, so we are back with mine mooncake and we have put it in the fridge for around half an hour or more. Yeah, and now is the moment we will take it out from the mold.
This is so cute. Okay, so now we are back from making our very own mooncake. So we have this Snowskin mooncake and the Oreo mooncake. So we will be doing a food tasting session to compare this Oreo mooncake that we bought from the NTUC versus our very own mooncake.
Okay, so from now, how about we just start from the Oreo original mooncake first?
Okay.
Let me cut it first. Oh, it's quite hard, my friend.
Oh, it's quite hard.
Yeah, okay, let's move it aside first. What's this here?
This one is the brownie chocolate.
Okay.
Okay, so let's try.
But the lotus taste.
Actually, it tastes a lot like the traditional mooncake.
But the outer layer is not the baked mooncake layer.
And I think it's a bit too sweet.
Yeah.
And the chocolate taste is not really there.
It's very little. It's a lot more of the lotus taste as compared to the chocolate.
Yeah, it just tastes like the traditional mooncake.
With chocolate in it. Maybe kids might like it. But
But I really can't taste the chocolate, so I can only taste the traditional mooncake part.
in terms of the texture, you got the normal chewy feel, but it was stuck on the teeth. Yeah, so not really my kind of.
I think it's too sweet. And because the traditional mooncake usually has like maybe the lotus seed or something, but this one don't really have, so I think it's still not as good. I wouldn't buy the brownie chocolate because it doesn't have the brownie chocolate taste.
Yeah.
And the skin is not that good also.
Denied.
So let's try the strawberry jam now. So, oh, this one don't. Oh yeah, it has a little bit of the filling. Like the strawberry jam filling.
Right. The jam is in the middle. So like and it tastes like the strawberry sweet.
Sweet. Strawberry sweet. I think this one is really very sweet also. It's like 100% sugar.
Yeah. This one is okay.
And the strawberry feels very syrupy rather than like the real strawberry juice.
Definitely not the real strawberry. It's a flavored strawberry.
Yeah.
But it's still very sweet.
Not good. I think not good.
You don't really know mooncake at all. And the skin, the outer skin, doesn't really hold. First when I bite, right, then there will be like pieces dropping. And it feels gelato.
Yeah, a bit gelato. Also, we just ate like just one small quarter and we feel so gelato.
Oh no. Imagine.
Okay, so I wouldn't buy this strawberry also because it tastes too artificial already.
Alright.
Denied.
Okay, so let's try the.
Cappuccino.
Okay, maybe I'll show you the.
Inside,
Yeah, it looks like that. Okay.
it look like the salted egg.
Yeah, it looks a bit like salted egg.
The salted egg mooncake.
Oh, this one looks like there's seed.
Yeah.
There's a
at the
seed,
side.
right? Okay.
Oh, that smells quite nice.
There's a charred taste. And this filling is not lotus paste, right?
Doesn't taste like lotus seed. It's actually okay.
But there is a kind of coffee smell.
Yeah.
Right.
Coffee smell. Usually when I bite, right, I can't really taste the middle and the middle filling from the side. It tastes the same.
Oh yeah, it tastes the same. So it really just tastes like maybe red bean filling with the lotus seed.
But this is less sweet as compared to the other two. Still have that.
I think this one is still acceptable. I like the charred taste. Okay, so then the last one will be the milk with the double chocolate. So the double chocolate is at the side and then the milk is in
Right.
middle and the cover.
I slice my pineapple on my mouth.
Oh, I finished already. This one tastes like chocolate filling.
Oh, this one's quite a strong chocolate taste.
But I still think it is a bit artificial.
Yeah. And it really I really wonder what is the outer layer. It is not the normal mooncake skin, and it's also not a snow skin. So when you buy it, there's no need for you to put in the fridge. Just not under the sun. Yeah.
And actually, if I were to close my eyes and taste these mooncakes, right, I wouldn't even think that it came from Oreo brand, because it has nothing to do with Oreo, that kind of feeling.
Yeah, there's no Oreo taste at all.
Yeah, no Oreo taste. Okay, but if you were to ask me whether I would buy it again and maybe like give my family and friends, maybe not. Yeah,
Denied.
Okay, so I actually have higher hopes. I think that maybe our mooncake will taste better.
I don't agree.
And it's not biased opinion.
Mine is actually a daisy. See, does it look cute?
Because of the look, yeah, I will give it like a 5 star. Okay, and mine is Mickey Mouse hand.
Okay, so let's cut it. So
Wow.
daisy.
Okay.
Oh, daisy. Okay, so daisy is cut into pieces. And you can actually see the inner filling. It's actually made of the cream cheese Oreo, and then the filling is actually Snowskin. Okay, so let's try.
Right.
Cheers.
Okay. From this view, right, before I'm eating it, it looks like martabak. It's okay. But it's very sweet.
Oh, it's very sweet.
And we might not have mixed it equally or balanced. Because some part of it is a lot more of the cream, and some part of it is a lot more of the Oreo.
Oh, actually the cream cheese mixture is actually very sweet.
Yeah.
And the snow skin is a bit funny. It has a little bit of charred taste. I think because we did the traditional snow skin method and we went to oven the glutinous rice bar, so maybe it came from there.
Yeah. And the glutinous rice, that burnt smell is very strong. The slight difference is that in terms of the skin, it is not that chewy from the normal snow skin that we get from the market. Yeah, it's a bit more soft.
Yeah, actually it's quite soft. It feels very
Right?
flexible.
Yeah. But in terms of feeling, it is nice. It's slightly sweet.
I mean a bit too sweet.
But what's it the wait, but the layer, the smell of the layer of the glutinous rice is very strong. So when I put in the mouth, right, what I can smell is only the glutinous rice.
Yeah, it feels like the coffee mooncake
Yeah, coffee mooncake. Yeah, right.
rather than Oreo. Oh no, it's not why all these are also like that. Makes
It takes
sense.
time. Maybe when you make an Oreo to mooncake, it tastes like coffee. Now I will cut mine.
Okay.
We'll cut from the hand.
Oh no, the finger.
Fingers.
Okay.
Pass you the fingers.
Okay.
So the cream cheese is in the middle. Wait, you see? The middle part is the cream cheese.
Okay, this is 100% Oreo.
The outer layer is really just Oreo, where we blend and then we mix with butter. So that we keep it in together.
And I think the sweetness is just nice. I really like it. It really tastes like Oreo cheesecake.
Yeah. And in terms of the shape, you can make it in any other mold that you have at home.
But of course, it's really not the normal mooncake that you buy from outside. It's really just Oreo cheesecake, but it looks like a mooncake.
Yeah.
But I think it's nice. I really like.
I guess if you have any other kind of cake that you want us to try for you, then let us know in the comment below. Then we can try it for you and let you know how it tastes like. But maybe because of our skill.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah.
Because we actually don't really bake so often. The best that I did was like just pineapple tarts.
But it's good, just that the look might not be. So maybe next time we can make a pineapple.
Yeah, we can do that for Chinese New Year. You can subscribe to us.
And then you will know when we done it. And of course, not worry, you will be seeing this chef head next time when we are baking or when we are doing something else. So if you enjoy our video, please click the like button and subscribe to our page. I guess
That's all for today. Bye!